Good evening, YouTube. Just wanted to show you my Radio Shack DX160 um, 5-band shortwave analog receiver. It had when I got it, the long wave band didn't work, and I got to look and took the cabinet off and look on the inside and just started touching up, reflowing the solder on all the joints, and it's come to life fairly well. Sorry about that. That was really loud. Well, anyways, you can see the long wave band has come alive. It was totally dead before. There was nothing. Just reflowed the solder, and it seems to be working pretty good. I'm going to find out who this one back here is. Looked like it said GGJ. I've never heard of that one before, so I'm going to go back and make sure that I'm hearing what I'm hearing. GGJ. Sure enough, it's saying GGJ. That's a new one for me. I'm going to look that one up and find out what it is. Anyway, YouTube, thank you very much for watching my video. Again, this is my DX160 from 1970. Just got it up and running. Thanks. Have a great evening. Oh, by the way, this is in Hamilton, Ohio, just about Cincinnati. The antenna is 150-foot long wire.